Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another video. But friends, today's a little bit different. I want to highlight a few things on my channel. First, if you look at the top right hand corner, you can see my website, channel, Twitter, and Instagram accounts. There's also TikTok. You can find me on all those locations. But today, what I want to highlight is the store. I'm highlighting it today because right now they have got the largest sale of the year. It is 23% off every item. Friends, there are categories that you can search. You can also scooch down and just check out the designs we've got. We've got the HLModTech, what will you learn today? And then also there is a let's get cracking design. You can adjust colors and experiment until you create your perfect combination. Finally, friends, I just want to say thanks for all the support. And of course, my friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.